you see the price? And it's Guess. Can you see this is Sissy Boy? Look at the price. Can you see? That's the only one they have. Oh, okay, I don't know. What's the difference? I don't know. I think this is the normal one there. This is what it looks like. There. There. This is what it looks like. It comes in a pack of 5, so there's an extra large, and there's a I don't know if I don't know. But yeah. Hi besties, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi honey, my name is Ombalendle Gumbi, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping back. Bye. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is free. It is 2 seconds. I don't see why not. So welcome to episode 3 of Vlogmas. So yeah, as you saw in the previous clip, I went to Indonesia with my sister. So there's a shop called Brands. Né? Let me plug you guys. Don't say I don't plug you guys, okay? Don't say I don't plug you guys. Oh, I'm so thirsty. I'm sorry. So there's a shop called Brands Indonesia. If you know where Indonesia is, you know, like it's next to Soweto. So this shop sells like clothes from like Zara, Guess, like it sells like proper clothes, but at a cheaper price. Like sometimes they take the labels off, sometimes they don't. You guys are gonna see in the previous clip. So I bought this jean. Comes in just a normal plastic. I bought this jean, right? This is the jean. And if you guys can see, they like tore the label off. But this is a jean from Zara, right? And this jean was only $179, so it was $180. Sorry. Yeah, as I was saying, this jean was only, what is that, child? Yeah? Yeah. This jean was only 179, right? It was literally 179. And it's a jean from Zara. Yes, and I'm wearing these shoes. I'm wearing my granny's jackets. But yeah. They accompany my mom to the mall. I don't know what she's going to do. Just got back. Let me show you what I got. Okay. These are my sister's things and my mom's things. But I got these cute slides. Aren't they cute, guys? I'm not a slide person. Like, I don't like sandals. I'm really a tacky person. But these are so cute. And they were 60 rand. Let me try them on, actually, with you guys. Aren't they cute on my toes? I love them. I love them so much. I don't like slides, but these are very cute. Outside to get some fresh air, just a bit. So this thing now, so it's cinnamon. Oh, anyways, sorry, let me start by greeting you guys. Good morning and welcome to another day of this vlog. So it's a morning and I have flu, guys. Like, I've had flu for like the longest time now, so like I'm bored. So this concoction is cinnamon, it's honey, and it's lemon. So I drink this for like, because I have I cough so much, guys, so I drink this just to, like, you know, and it's quite nice. Like, it's not a bad, like, it doesn't taste bad. I'm at the mall and I'm vlogging in public for the first time. Wish me luck. I'm looking for like a sushi place because I'm craving sushi so much. Yo, sushi. So I got these beautiful flowers. Aren't they gorgeous, guys? So I'm just gonna put them in a vase with you guys. I love them so much. They're cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna put them in a vase quickly.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. Away. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Harder, harder. I found climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride. Is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't.
Vlog what the updates. Good to see we happy, thank you. Wait, no, so forget my neck. Okay, sorry. Okay, there we go.
Okay guys, hi. So we just come from
Cosmopolitan.
Now we're
Morning.
going to Monarch, and after that we're going to Soweto.
No, we're going to a room at 1:30.
Oh shit! Okay, so after Monarch it's room 130. After room 130 we're going to Soweto, and I don't know where in Soweto we're going, but it's gonna be
Maza. We're already drunk.
yo, I'm already. I need a picture.
Yimlo. Uma ngesikhathi seboceda ukufika mos. Angisho ilokho sanisho i-app isho kanjalo ithi just arrived. Yeah.
Abanye bathi batshela masimoto isifikile.
Sakazi.
And shouldn't fly home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Also, thank honey.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
Back to another day of this vlog. So today's a Sunday and we went to China Mall just to get a few things, and I got a ring light, so my content's gonna be this is the one I got. So it's a 22 inch. Yeah, it's 22 inch. I initially wanted the 18 inch, but then when I saw this one, I was like, I'm going for it. So I got it for $650. There it is. Excited. Let me try putting it out. So it comes with a remote. Fancy match. Featuring Bokang. And this, I think this is the charger. Not the charger, the plug. Yeah, this is the plug. Then it comes with these things. 3 of them here. Comes comes with these. So let me try assemble it and then I'll show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna try assemble it, and then I'm gonna switch it on, and then you guys are gonna see the before and after. Can you see? This is without the lights, and this is with the light. Can you guys see that? And they can adjust it so the remote works. Thank the Lord. So you can adjust it. I think I like this one. Yeah. So this is the new Monopoly. Excited. We played and my brother Ungile. Not even funny. And then oh yeah, I wanna show you. There we go. So I'm gonna do a sheen roll and I'm gonna upload it.
Subby boy.